As summer heats up in Brooks, Kentucky, a reliable air conditioning system becomes crucial for comfort and health. Louisville HVAC Pros has expanded their AC repair services in Brooks, ensuring faster response times and exceptional customer service. The expanded services include advanced diagnostic tools, comprehensive repair coverage, and preventive maintenance plans tailored for each home. The team of certified HVAC technicians is dedicated to providing top-quality service, focusing on customer satisfaction and transparent pricing without hidden fees. The community-focused business also offers emergency repair services and values the well-being of Brooks residents and surrounding areas. Satisfied customers have praised the team for efficient installations and fair pricing during heat waves. As summer temperatures rise, ensuring your home stays cool is a top priority. Click the link in the description to find out more.